Once upon a time, there lived a poor peasant girl, and the only thing she dreamed about was having one of those cool, hip, brand-name chunky cardigans so that she would be accepted by her peers. She worked day and night trying to save enough to buy that cardigan that she longed for oh so much. But after doing some simple math, she realized that at this rate it would take her... Well, she didn't actually do the math. She decided right then and there that she would no longer follow the crowd, make her own clothes, and be proud of the dork she's been all her life. Dork. Odd. Socially awkward. Unstylish person? Okay, let's just change the unstylish portion of that definition to be stylish dork going forward. In order to knit your own cardigan and begin your transformation into a stylish dork, 1. Buy some wool yarn. Never mind the fact that that yarn costs about $15 a pop and it would have been cheaper for you to just buy a cardigan. 2. Acquire 15mm size knitting needles. 3. Find another cardigan to size your new cardigan. 4. Don't pay attention to the fact that the whole premise of making this cardigan is that you are a peasant girl who has never owned a cardigan before. Time to get to knitting. If you followed my instructions to a T, this is the point where you should be. As always, cast on a number of loops. This is the first time I've ever bought wool yarn. There's like this tiny little piece of thread holding all the wool together. Am I supposed to take that out? Knit a couple of rows so you can use it to size your new cardigan. Be flabbergasted that the kids are actually getting along for a considerable amount of time.
I was so happy.
Now, where was I? Oh, yes. I need to place my test knit on my old cardigan to figure out how many loops I need to cast on for my actual project.
Whoa!
Try on old cardigan to be absolutely sure that this is the size that you want your new cardigan to be. Then determine that 30 is the absolute perfect number of loops to cast on. Now try to get started on your new cardigan, but you know that's wishful thinking if you're a mother of 2. No! You! I'm gonna get you! Aw, sweet hugs. And my wonderful camera crew is yet again at work. Somebody was really making some attention that day. Commence to knitting and be proud that you're actually getting somewhere. Oh dear. Okay, let's try this knitting thing again. Apparently I was slightly distracted and I cast on the wrong number of loops. Oops. I'm gonna go do the dishes, get my act together, and this time not mess up on my knitting. Yeah, right. Don't you wish all dishes were washed this way?
Mina, we talk Yubby into eating a strawberry so that we can go to the playground?
I tried to get just a little bit more knitting in while offspring number 2 ate his strawberries.
Mina! Let's brush our teeth and then we can go out to the playground, okay?
I wonder if the day will ever come when they do something as soon as I ask them. I'm just talking to myself. Okay, let's go brush our teeth. Come on. Where are we going? Yeah? I like your shoes, your socks, and your pants.
Thank you.
Let's go.
누구가 있는지
Oh dear. Mommy life, it rocks. Let's try this again.
Is it just me, or are all the forces of nature trying to prevent me from knitting this cardigan? No, it's definitely all me. I just can't seem to cast on the right number of loops to save my life.
This time, be sure to count the loops to make sure that you cast on 60. I guess there needs to be a slight explanation for why I'm casting on 60 instead of 30. I don't have one. Okay, here we go. I recorded myself saying I should count the loops, but I forgot to count the loops. If I have to unravel this one more time, just do it again. Okay, ready to count?
Yeah.
1. Can you count? One. Can you count with me?
Yeah.
1,
1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17,
16. This is 17.
18, 19,
60! Yay! 60! I don't have to do it again. Good job counting. High five.
Maybe I can finally make some headway into this project after 6.5 minutes into this video.
Now that I'm done with the bottom, I just need to keep working my way up until I get to the armpit area. That took 1 skein of yarn. I only have 1, 2, 3 more skeins of yarn. I don't have enough. This seems to be a reoccurring occurrence in all of my projects. 2 skeins down, 2 more to go. Now that I've reached this point, I can knit up 15 over here and 15 on this side and leave an opening for the armholes and knit up 60. Did I say 60? I meant 30 in the middle because the whole thing is 60. With the help of this fancy schmancy contraption here, maybe you know what it's called because I've already forgotten, I am now off to knit the back portion of the cardigan. I finished knitting the back and went ahead and attached the front portion to the back right here, and of course left the armhole right here so that I can start the sleeve later. With the help of Doohickey again, he is going to hold all of these loops for me so that I can finish knitting up the front. I ran out of yarn. I guess I can't knit for a while. Oh man. Yeah, right, this is Korea. These arrived yesterday.
No procrastination going on here.
Okay, this is the first time I'm actually trying this on, and I must say it fits rather nicely. And I actually wanted to remember how long this was, because that took almost exactly 1 skein of yarn, and so it looks like it's going to take about 2 and just a little bit more for a sleeve. I hope I ordered enough yarn. I ordered 4 more. I hope that's enough. I actually wanted to compare this with the other cardigan that I was going off of because it's pretty much exactly the same cardigan except maybe just a little bit longer but a different material. I'm a little bit surprised in the difference in weight. I mean, this is a cotton acrylic blend and this is completely wool. I just imagined this would be so much lighter because it's more expensive. I had higher hopes for it. Still, this is a bit lighter than this. But either way, I'm really excited to see how both of them compare once I'm done. Why hello, I'm just sitting here on top of the world in my new hand-knit cardigan. I'm glad that phrase isn't standing on top of the world because that would be kind of hard to do. Maybe not. I know I said I was going to transform myself into a stylish dork, but I realized I don't really have anything that goes with this cardigan. Am I destined to be uncool the rest of my life? That's fine with me.
Now please enjoy leur danse of leur cardigan.
Oh yeah, this cardigan cost $120.